Guys, Shiba Inu Coin is by far one of the hottest assets out there right now. It's gone up fourfold just in the last week alone, and since the beginning of the year, it has produced some just crazy gains, almost unfathomable, okay? And there's a lot of talk about Shiba potentially making you a millionaire. If you've got Shiba Inu Coin and you're looking at prices like a penny, 10 cents, a dollar, what might seem crazy now is definitely possible in the future. But we need to talk about a couple of different ways on how we get there, and perhaps one of the most important ways of how you can actually hold out that long and not be tempted to take your profit along the way. So if you want to become a Shiba Inu millionaire and all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. It is enticing when any asset moves as much as Shiba Inu has been moving, especially in the last couple of weeks. We've talked about in some of the previous videos Google Trends data showing that Shiba Inu is on the rise right now. Everybody is piling in to see what's going on, and we still haven't even reached the peaks that AMC and Dogecoin were reaching back in May and June. So yes, it is growing, but it still has so much growth left to go, and there are so many people that don't know about Shiba Inu Coin. So here's the deal, guys. If you want to become a Shiba millionaire, assuming that you're not going out there and buying 1 trillion coins right now and you only need to watch the price go up 4, 5, 10x or whatever to become that millionaire, you need to be able to hold the coin. You need to hold it for potentially a very long term as well. Because if you're looking at prices around a penny, I don't know how much you have in your portfolio. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know how far you have to gain in order to reach that $1 million status. But if you're looking for prices around a penny, is it possible? Okay, now I've seen a lot of people asking this question, but is a penny possible? With the current supply, Shiba Inu Coin would have to be worth about $4 trillion once it reaches a penny. Is that impossible? No. Long term, that's not impossible with the current supply. Is it easy? Absolutely not. Let's put that in perspective. That's worth more than the most valuable company in the entire world. That's about 4 times the value of Bitcoin. It's worth more than all the other cryptocurrencies that are currently combined. But think about it, okay? 10 years ago, if you would have said Bitcoin would have had $1 trillion valuation, people would have said that was impossible. Okay, so just because something seems impossible right now absolutely does not mean that we won't reach that point in the future. I mean, you've got inflation coming in, the dollar could drop off the face of the earth, and all cryptocurrency could go up for that matter. There's so many different ways that we can get there, but one of the quickest and one of the best ways when it comes to Shiba Inu is burning coins. Now, what does that mean? If you hold Shiba Inu, they're not going to burn your coins. They're going to burn supply that's not being used. They're going to take that up. They're going to burn the supply down a little bit so that you don't have 400 trillion coins sitting around. And until that diminishes, that's going to help the market cap be able to reach these higher prices because it's going to limit the market cap and not make it 4 trillion. It might bring it down to 400 billion after a while. So hopefully you understand that concept. If you don't, please ask some questions down in the comments below. We can get to those a little bit later, or we can talk about it on the live streams as well. We go live at least twice a day, so make sure to check out and answer and ask any questions you guys got there. But market cap aside, we're looking at how to become a millionaire. If you're already willing to buy Shiba Inu and you're willing to hold it, one of the best recommendations that you should receive is to hold it in a wallet or in a brokerage account that you're not going to be checking every single day. Because here's the deal. The only thing that's going to cause you to sell your Shiba Inu is your own emotion. All right? Now, if you have a plan to buy and hold until you get to a certain number, all you have to do is take that temptation away. And one of the best ways to do that is to not focus on it. Focus on something else. Go out. Live your life. Shiba's going to do what Shiba's going to do, whether you're buying more and whether you're checking your portfolio 15 times a day or not. So if you take that temptation away, you will be that much more likely to hold Shiba Inu coin until it reaches your price target, and then you can sell it. Because let's go through a couple scenarios here. You know, if you've got $1,000 to invest right now, you need to watch your price go up by 1,000 times if you ever expect to reach $1 million. Okay, $1,000 investment needs to 1,000x before you get to $1,000. If it 100x's, you've got $100,000, right? So then you go up another 10x on that, and you've got your million. So the current share price, or the current coin price for Shiba Inu, will 300x when you get to a penny per share. You're going to see a 300x increase. So keep that in mind. If you're going out there, you want to buy $1,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin, and it goes to a penny, you're sitting on $300,000. If it goes to 3 cents, there you've got your $1 million, right? That's 1,000x. But to put that in perspective, let's think about this for a second. You do put $1,000 in, okay? And then 4, 5, 6 years from now, they've burnt the supply off, and you're trading around 1/10 of a cent. And then you're back down to 1/20th of a cent. Are you going to be able to handle $300,000 disappearing from your portfolio from day to day? Are you going to be able to handle $50,000 price swings? Are you going to be able to handle $500,000 price swings? Now, you better understand that cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. Nothing goes straight up, and you will be tempted every single day to take that profit. Whether it's because of a swing to the downside or it's a swing to the upside. If you make 100 grand in one day, are you not going to be tempted to take your profit? If you lose 100 grand in one day, are you not going to be tempted to cut that loss short and just take your profit and move on? That is why one of the best things that you can do if your plan is to hold Shiba Inu coin is to hold it in something that you're not going to check every day. If you're buying or plan to buy on Robinhood, or if you're currently buying on Webull, or if you've got a Coinbase account or a Binance account, if you don't have a Binance account, make sure to use the link in the description below. But if you're playing on one of these accounts and it's your main account and you're looking at it day in and day out, you're going to be tempted to take your profit. And I'm telling you right now, if you let your emotions get in the way, it is going to be extremely difficult for you to hold out until you've got $1 million. So know your plan, trade your plan, and do not let your emotions get the best of you when it comes to becoming, when it comes to becoming a Shiba Inu coin millionaire, because I want to see the success stories out there everywhere, guys. I hope that every single one of you are able to become millionaires, and that you hold that Shiba Inu coin until you finally get to that money that you set out to make. Now, I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you're holding long term, if you're just playing the price action, what the deal is and why you're getting into Shiba Inu in the first place. And of course, if this button is still red, make sure to click and subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. I mentioned Binance. You can use the link in the description below for that. There's also a link down there for Webull. If you deposit $100 on Webull, you're going to get a couple free stocks. Binance, you're going to get some free crypto, so make sure to check both of those out. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. And of course, guys, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.